Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Hyundai Tucson radio. First, gather your tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a Phillips head screwdriver. It's crucial to work carefully to avoid damaging your dashboard. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and the battery is disconnected for safety before beginning any electrical work. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure removal process. Begin by using your plastic trim tool to carefully pry around the edges of the side dashboard trim panels. Once these are loose, set them aside. Next, locate and remove any screws that become visible, typically around the climate control unit or the radio bezel. After removing the screws, gently pull the climate control panel forward to unclip it, but do not fully disconnect it yet. Now, with the climate control panel slightly out, carefully disconnect its wiring harnesses by pressing the release tabs. Set the climate control panel completely aside. You should now see more screws securing the main radio bezel. Remove these screws. Once all fasteners are out, gently but firmly pull the entire radio bezel assembly, which includes the radio, straight out from the dashboard. With the radio assembly pulled forward, carefully disconnect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the radio unit. These usually have small tabs you need to press. Once everything is disconnected, you can fully remove the radio. If you're replacing it, transfer any brackets to the new unit. Reassembly is the reverse process. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals. Take your time and ensure all connections are secure for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.